So here's how to fix Steam games slow download speed and boost your downloads. So first what we want to do is open Steam and then go to settings by right clicking on the top here and then settings. And then you want to go to downloads, and in here you want to make sure to select a download region that is very close to you or as close as possible. So you can click in here and choose the regions that work best for you or close to you. Then you can scroll down to here till you see clear download cache. Now you want to click on clear cache and then confirm, and that should shut down Steam and restart it again. Then it should prompt you to log into your Steam again. Next, we want to run the CMD or terminal as admin by right clicking Windows logo and then click on terminal admin. You can also use the CMD like this, which is pretty much the same. In here, we want to run ipconfig /release and then ipconfig /renew and then ipconfig /flush DNS. Then you can simply close this one. Next, you want to open the task manager and make sure there is no processes that are using the network while you download your games other than Steam. So you can click on the network section here to sort them from the highest usage to the lowest. So for example, Google Chrome here, if you don't need it, right click and end task. Same for the other apps that might be using the network. Now, sometimes the Windows might be downloading updates in the background. So to disable that or to stop that, you can go to the task manager, go to services, and then click on open services here. Now you want to search for Windows Update Service. So it's this one. Now double click on it, and if the status says it's running, you should click on stop here to stop the service. Now to disable it permanently, you can set the startup type to disabled. Now you can click apply and OK. Now you can close this. And the last solution is to make sure that your internet is actually running smoothly and it's not causing the problem. So you can either test your network speed by going to speedtest.net website, and then you can test in here. Now, if it's slow, you can either try to restart your router or modem, or completely unplugging it and then replugging it again. And that should generally fix the problem. Now we will just need to run Windows, or you need to run Steam as administrator, and then log into your account and start downloading or updating your games again. And they should be way faster. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.